You sing it only your hand without your body like that. Okay, once more. Sing it stronger. Stronger you sing better the sound. Stronger you sing better the sound. Very good. Yeah, thank you. Now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, there are two ways how to sing it. The short sound and the longer sound. The short sound is like this. Short. Short. Together please. Yes. Good. Short. Short. Not too much. We try 4 times. Yeah. Together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you. The second is longer. Like this. Longer. Longer. Together please. Yeah. Good. Okay. Once more, 4 times. Yeah. Together. Ready? 1, 2, now, ladies and gentlemen, the longest sound. It means you sing it without pause, without stopping. Longs, 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 like this. You can do it up, down. It means sing it as long as possible. Very, very long. Okay, now we'll play combination sound. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we'll play 3 short, 3 longer, and 1 longest. Yeah, 3 short, 3 longer, 1 longest. Together, ready? Start. Longer. Longest. Yes. Applause for y'all.